Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. Please consider to subscribe, like and ring the bell. Thank you! I have a new free crochet tutorial for you. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Owlidays blend cover up. You can make this with any kind of yarn you like, you have at home. The material list is going to be listed down below this video, so don't forget to check this out. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start with our blue color. This is your main color, and take your yarn scrap. You are going to use this as a stitch marker. Make a magic ring, and you are working with your 3mm crochet hook. Pull up a loop and chain one to secure your magic ring, and inside of your ring you are going to make a total of 6 single crochets. We are starting at the base of our cover up, so we are going to work in the round all the way. Okay, now pull at your shoulder tail to close your ring and take your yarn scrap and place it like so. This way you know each time you start your new round. Okay, now search for your very first stitch and make 2 single crochets in there. So we are going to increase. This means we are going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So you are going to have a total of 12 stitches. Okay, now put your stitch marker in front of your work like so. The next round you are going to work 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next stitch. So this is going to be your pattern repeat till the end of the round. Okay, so at the end of the round you are going to place your stitch marker and then work 1 single crochet in your next 2 stitches and then 1 increase, and again 1 single crochet in your next 2 stitches and 1 increase. And this is how you are going to work till the end of the round. Okay, so I'm going to work the rest off camera. So go ahead and make your rounds till you have a total of 8 single crochets in between your increases. Okay, so here is the base of my cover up. So if this is too small for you, you can go ahead and increase more. So I have a total of 80 single crochets. Now we are going to work 1 round of single crochets in each stitch, so we are not going to increase. And meet me back once you have this done. Okay, this round is done. As you see, I didn't finish my last single crochet. Now we are going to change color, so take your white color, make a slip knot and close your last single crochet like so. Place your stitch marker, and now we are going to work 1 round of single crochets again without making any increases. So from now on we are going to work without making increases. Okay, so meet me back once you have this done. Okay, so now we are starting with our graph. So we are going to incorporate our color C, so our yellow color. So I'm going to give you a quick look on how to work this. So you are going to read your graphic from right to the left all the way, because we are working in the round. So first you have one stitch with white and then one stitch with blue. So this means each time you are going to change color, you are going to close your last stitch with your new color. So now we have one stitch blue, so don't close. And now you are going to take your yellow color, so make first a slip knot and then close your single crochet with your yellow color, since your next stitch is going to be with yellow. So you have now 3 single crochets with your yellow color, and you are going to work over your yarn, so you are going to carry the yarn with you like the most of the time. So now you have 3 single crochets with yellow, so 1, 2, and your third stitch you are not going to finish. Now you are going to take your white color and finish your single crochet like so, and your next 2 stitches are going to be with your white color like so. And this is how you are going to work all the way through your graphic. Now I'm going to leave you the graphic on the screen so you can work this of your own. I'm going to work off camera and then meet you back to show you how to work your little snowflakes. So first let me give you a quick look on how to step up for your next round. So you are always going to start working on the right side of your graph, and don't forget your stitch marker. Now you are not going to need your white color. This means you are just going to carry on the rows, like up the rows, up the rounds. Okay, now this is the graph for your Owlidays, so go ahead and put it on pause or make a screenshot and print it out. Okay, so I'm now at round 8 of the Owlidays graph. Now I'm going to show you how to make your snowflakes. So on the graph, your first single crochet is going to be work with your blue color. So the next stitch it's going to be a snowflake, so I want to make a bubble stitch in the next stitch. So yarn over, and in the next stitch you are going to make 4 unfinished double crochets, 2, 3 and 4, and now you are going to close all of your 5 loops that you have on your hook with your color B. Since this is the next color, you need to work on your graph, and this is it. This is how you are going to work all your snowflakes. These are these little white dots on your graph. Okay, so this is it. This is my plant cover up. So you can work this, as I said, with any kind of yarn you like. You can make this larger if you need to. Now go ahead and weave in all of these loose ends, and you can now cover your favorite plant. So I'm now at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for joining me today and for watching. I wish you all good luck, have fun and happy crocheting. Bye bye!